Take me out. Take me out, officer, deputy, sheriff. Take me out.
When you go to jail, your dog's gonna go to the AC.
Let's go to jail, please.
Right.
I love it.
Are you refusing to leave?
On October 27th, 2024 in Florida, a routine call to Walmart took a tense turn. Officers were dispatched after a report came in about a woman causing a scene at the store. According to the caller, the customer had grown angry when staff refused her return request due to a missing receipt. When law enforcement arrived, the atmosphere was already charged. Employees directed them to the electronics section, where the woman was still visibly upset. What happened next was all captured on body camera footage, revealing a dramatic and unexpected series of events.
All right, so what's the issue?
She called you guys.
Well, you guys called first, didn't you?
Yeah. This is her dad call.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, then.
Okay.
No receipts in case of it. Hi.
What are we doing? I don't know. Are you stretching? I don't know. But I don't. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Are you arresting me?
No. What? You called us.
Sit.
I'm confused. What would you like me to do?
I'm deaf. I can't hear you.
Are you actually deaf? Oh yeah. How can I help you?
I can't hear you.
Were you guys able to communicate with her?
That's like what she's acting right now. That's what she's trying to. I try to help her.
Well, if you weren't listening to Kevin Gates, you could probably hear us.
Did you talk to her at all? Did she talk to you at all? What did she say?
Come on.
Can you understand me? You want to walk to the front with me? We can talk
I
in the front?
can't hear you. I am deaf.
I'll write it down.
Yeah, I don't know. Two dogs.
You guys want your trespass?
Yeah, I do. Okay. What are you doing? This is comical. Okay. Have fun with your dance.
You, sit the down. Let's go.
Apparently,
What are we doing?
Apparently the dog's not deaf. What's she trying to return?
Ma'am, you hear that? Are you gonna leave?
I paid for that though.
Right. Okay.
Let's go.
So take it with you.
I'm trespassed.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So leave.
Leave.
Take your.
Anale no.
What?
Anale.
You're deaf. I don't.
You don't understand what I'm saying?
No.
I said sit.
Here, ma'am. Here you go. Here, ma'am.
Take your item and leave.
Yep.
Yeah.
I paid for it.
So take
Nah.
your leave.
Take me out of here.
Why?
The officers cautiously approached the woman and began asking her questions. But instead of responding, she acted as if she couldn't hear them speaking aloud to herself while completely ignoring their presence. Her strange behavior only added to the tension, leaving the officers unsure of what they were dealing with.
Can you just tell her in our presence that she's trespassed? You are
I
trespassed.
paid for this item earlier today and I'm not leaving until I get a replacement.
Out there in front of you.
All right, let's take me out.
Do you have a receipt?
Let's go.
Stop.
Take me out.
Don't touch me.
Take me out.
What is
Take me out.
You want to go to jail?
Take me out. Take me out, officer, deputy, sheriff. Take me out.
Ma'am, if you don't leave, you're gonna go to
Just
jail.
leave.
If you don't leave, you're gonna go to jail, and the dog's gonna go to the ACC.
Excuse me?
If you don't leave,
My dog's on a leash.
yeah, but your dog. When you go to jail, your dog's gonna go to the ACC.
Let's go to jail, please. I love it.
Are you refusing to leave, ma'am? Here.
Oh my God.
Do you have your name and date of birth, or LP wants to?
I love jail. I go all the time.
Can you just tell her that if she doesn't leave, she's doing her trespass.
I got your information,
She needs to
bro.
leave, and if not, I'll take her to jail.
Chris. Oh no.
All right, so you are not allowed back here for 1 year. If you do come back here for 1 year, we'll see you in here. We're gonna call them. They're gonna come here.
All right, ma'am. So you're officially trespassed.
You're trespassed as of
I'm
now.
trespassed?
Yeah.
You work here?
Yep.
You don't look like you work here.
That's not.
Well, I'm trespassed. Let's go. Why are you not handcuffing me if I'm
Refusing to
trespassed?
leave?
I'm wanting to go in cuffs. Thank you. This is what y'all wanted.
As the officers calmly asked her to leave the store, the situation quickly escalated. The woman began to act out, raising her voice, ignoring commands, and showing clear signs of defiance. At first, the officers attempted a patient approach, writing down questions on paper and reading them aloud, still trying to communicate. But then, in a sudden shift, she began to respond clearly, understanding every word. Her sudden clarity and combative attitude seemed almost deliberate, as if she were provoking the officers, pushing the situation to the edge and tempting them to place her under arrest.
Are they able to come off?
I love
Take
jail.
one of the cuffs off.
And where's my item that I paid for?
You let go of the dog.
My attorney's gonna love this.
Ma'am, you had an ample opportunity to leave.
Literally.
Can you just get his 14? I'll write about it. It's my pleasure to take this case.
No, seriously.
That's Prince Charles. Don't
I really want to take this case. Yeah, we'll take it with her for her stuff.
That's my. That's my. Okay.
This is your. There it is. Congratulations. You are the proud owner of this. Alright, let's go. You can slow down.
This is Dalmatian.
So you're bringing up just a little bit. You said black female 1015?
Yeah, 10-4. And I'm 10-12 with her signal 70. Dalmatian. Yeah, just want to through their number and I'll 45.
Did you get my black item? The phone thing?
Yes.
Okay, great. My attorney is gonna love this.
Well, we asked you to leave like a million times.
Eventually, the officers had no choice but to place the woman under arrest. To their surprise, she remained unusually calm, almost amused. As they led her away, she began to dance, smiling and telling the officers that she had been to jail many times before and that it didn't bother her. But just as things seemed under control, the situation took another strange turn. Without warning, she dropped to the floor, creating a dramatic scene in the middle of the store. With customers watching, officers were forced to physically remove her from the premises, dragging her out as she continued to resist in her own bizarre way.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Okay. What you in a hurry? I'm not in a hurry.
You're right. It looks better if I slow down. Yeah.
It does. You're on my time, bro. Okay, what are you doing?
You can stand up and walk. Yeah.
3 Bravo 12 temperature.
Can you walk?
What
are you doing? Hold both her arms. She wants to. You said she wants to change that. Understand?
I love problems.
73.
I love chaos.
And it's
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
So much problems always.
What is your?
Stand up. Come on. Stand up and walk. Here, look at that.
You're hurting me.
Yeah. Well, that's tough.
Man, stand up and walk. Jess, you want to take the dog? I'll pick her up. Here, Eric, I'll pick her up. Bam, you need to stand up. Ready? You put her mic on. It's fine.
Love it.
Have any property on you? No. Have a seat.
Once outside, the woman was placed in the back of a patrol car without further incident. She was later charged with trespassing, resisting an officer without violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. What began as a simple customer complaint had quickly escalated into a chaotic and unpredictable confrontation.